Oh, very good morning, folks. So today I would be traveling somewhere else, as in from Bangalore to a different place. But what happened was in the midnight. So post elections, I kept seeing the highway, and I kept seeing the empty highways. I thought, why not we go somewhere? So since last evening, I had this thought, and right now I'm going to Kapini backwaters. It seems that it's going to rain a bit there, so I saw the climatic changes that is on the maps. I don't know how true it is. So my friend is already waiting in Vidhan Sauda. So again, this plan or this ride is an unplanned one right now. So let's quickly go ahead. Vidhan Sauda. ಏನು ದೇವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಲು ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದೇನು ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಸೈಡ್ಲು ಸಾಕಾ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅವನು ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಸೊ ಫೋಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ he hasn't joined us yet. We're just going to leave for some time because we have sent him live location, so he's going to follow us slowly because he woke up really late. Okay, so we are flagging off from Vidhan Sauda now. ಅಣ್ಣ 41 ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ರಾಮನಗರ್. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರಲಾ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಯೇ ಫೈನಲಿ ಏರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್. Actually, whenever I fill air to my, as in whenever I fill air, I feel like filling the fuel itself because I can save up. So there is a kind of a called, now I'm out of words. These pumps are like hell there. Very nice. Scotland of India. ಸ್ಕಾಟ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾನಂದವಾಡಿ is 17 kilometers from here. That's like the border area. So whenever you reach Manandawadi, I think it's a sign which says that you have reached Kerala, like proper Kerala. So folks, finally we are at Kerala right now. So this is Babali. So this is the first village of Kerala. Namaskaram Jeta. We are in a place called Babali right now. Pranav. Keep going, 14 kilometers. Keep going, fuel pump is there. I think you can actually ride a bit faster from here, right? Ride a bit faster from here. So folks, finally we are reaching this spot which is famous for Unniyappam, and this is called Kuttettan Unniyappam. It is a must visit place whenever you're crossing these borders. I am just going to love it if the Unniyappams are there right now. So let's see if what Cheta says. Cheta, namaskaram Cheta. Namaskaram. Unniyappa irka? Yes. Let's go. So here we are. It's a very small shop. This is what food attracts you wherever you are. And he's making some chaya. Enda chaya cheta?
Cotton chai, black tea, black coffee.
Black tea ಕುಡಿತೀಯನೋ? Pura black tea ಕುಡಿ cheta. It's better than perfume. Perfume ಅಲ್ಲಿ petrochemicals ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ black tea ಇಲ್ಲ?
Black coffee, black tea.
ஆஹா. என்னென்ன டீ இருக்கு சேட்டா?
இது ரெண்டு டீ black coffee, black tea.
எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு?
6:30.
இல்ல எப்போ எந்த வருஷம்? 30 years.
30 years.
വാവ്. இந்த പേര്?
എൻ്റെ വിജീഷ്, അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേരാണ് കുട്ടേട്ടൻ.
സത്യന്ത? വിജീഷ്. ആഹാ.
ഫാദർ നെയിം
ಕುಟ್ಟಟನ್. ಆಹಾ. ಚೇಟಾ ಉಣ್ಣಿಯಪ್ಪಂ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಮೂರು ತಿಂದ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚೇಟಾ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. He's given me 13 pieces of it, and I think one would cost around 7. No cheta? Cheta, one would cost 7, right? How much is one unniyappam? 7 ruba. 7 rupees. The best unniyappams that you get here is this Kuttetten Cheta's shop, which is called as Kuttetten Unniyappam shop. You will find that on Google Maps. It's really tasty. Trust me, you will have to come here. It's a blend of kind of maida flour, maybe, I'm not sure, banana, and a lot of granules of coconut, and it's also made out of coconut oil. A lot of things go inside this. If you can just have a look at this, I really love the taste of it, the texture, and I think some sesame seeds goes into this as well. Have you tried this anywhere else? No, is it?
No.
Okay, this is one of the best shops. In Bangalore also you get it in Tattu Kadas and all, but they tend to use this refined oil. But here they use this coconut oil, the naturally procured one.
Yeah.
But that doesn't taste like this. So we are like great fans of this.
What is it called?
It's called Unniyappam. So you have seen your friends and all going to Sabrimala and all, right? So they get it from there. That'll be very hard. They slowly roast it. But he's like a pioneer in making this. So he's been running this since 30 years.
Really?
Yeah. Cheta, give me full. Idli, sambar and podi. So podi ತಿನ್ನೋಳು ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಇದು ಈ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪುಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದವ್ರ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು 30 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
So finally you got your black tea and the breakfast. How was the first
I'm
sip?
loving this. There's jaggery which is in black tea, and black tea keeps boiling every time, so which we saw just a while ago. And with the unniyappams it goes really well. You cannot ask for anything else apart from these two things over here. And if you still want, you have idli and sambar.
So how's the idli and the sambar?
No, it's awesome.
So folks, I'm tasting this idli. Just have a look. So this is a kind of idli where this is not like the normal idli. So you have some rava kind of idli this is. So this is my first meal of the day. So let me eat with the sambar. Sambar. ಪುಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇನು ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತಾ ನೀನು ತಿನ್ನುವಾಗ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. So I'm going to take this. That's it. And I'm going to take this unniyappam. Let's have a bite. Take some idli. Just dip it in the sambar a bit and the pudi. You see this. So finally we are leaving from this place. So we are going to reach Wayanad. So there's one district or maybe one particular town called Vaitiri. So we're going to go there, okay? Let's quickly go, okay? Leave this place. And we have to settle at our homestay or whatever you call it. So folks, we have reached Aditya Nature Farm, Nature Spa and Resorts. So here we are at the reception area, and we're going to check in right now. We have just parked our bikes over here. So for parking, I would say this is a protected area. So this is really safe. And look at the bikes over here. So the cottages are like this. You need to keep walking across the property to get different types of cottages. So it's like a tree house. So every tree has sort of a cottage like this. So it's inside the forest. You can have a look. So when you keep climbing up, you find more cottages. And that's how it is designed. So right now we're going to check in. So let's see. Okay, you'll have to climb down the hill. It's too steep. You'll have to be very careful. This is like very close to nature. My goodness. Can you hear that? Wow. I would like to call this a wow. Trust me. I'm just loving this. Okay, so she's gonna show it up. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah.
How many cottages do you have?
We have 33 villas and 53 rooms.
33 villas.
And 53
Okay.
rooms.
53, okay. So is it like a structure, like a nest? So I saw that concept kind of stuff. It's like a tree where you have a lot of branches. So those branches are like, No, I saw that shot, like a drone shot. So that's how I found it. This is like the living room,
Yeah.
right? Look at this, guys. I'm just gonna love this place to live. My goodness, you have a freezer, fridge, what not. Okay, you can store your liquor in case if you're buying one. And look at this now. You'll have to get down, and this is the bedroom. Oh, crazy this is. This is lovely. Okay. And this is without AC, so we'd never asked for air conditioner or kind of look at that. Whoa. You can just wake up with this view. Whoa. And look at the washroom. Let's have a check at the washroom now. Oh, is somebody there? No. Whoa. Okay. We have kind of a bathtub. I think you'll have to fill this in. As in, neeran complete fill ಮಾಡಿ. For the first time, I booked a 4-star property as per Google. So it's actually a 3-star, or it can be called as a 4-star. Anyways, nothing bothers about the stars, but comfortability is one of the best things that I can tell you, that I can assure you if you come to this property. I got a great deal on this property, and I'm going to share that with you all, okay? Game center. What are the games that you have?
Ludo, chess, carom, snake ladder.
Okay. Okay. Badminton. Okay. Shuttle. Okay. Shuttle one. Okay. Yeah. So you have indoor or outdoor?
Indoor and outdoor.
Okay. This is nice. Let's see what are the games that we have. But especially the kids would love it. I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Right. It's very close to nature. And where is the spa set up?
It's the downside.
Near reception itself.
Yeah.
Like what kind of monkeys is that? Are they grey or brown?
Grey.
Grey. Oh, okay, okay. Then it's forest monkeys.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. This is the restaurant. Okay. Hi. Thank you. So, what's special tomorrow for breakfast?
Breakfast, there will be one South Indian dish,
Okay.
one North Indian dish will be there. It is
Morning, what time? From what time you have breakfast?
from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Very nice. So, folks, I've never seen such a spa before. Just have a look at this one. Oh my goodness. So, this is how it is. I think it's locked right now. I'll just show you all in a bit about how it's going to look inside. So, we have called the staff. They're going to come here. And spa is attached to the resort. That's the best thing about this resort. So, look at this. This is how it is. Everything is in wood. So this is the jackfruit wood bed. This one. So this is like the honeymoon kind of stuff. I think they give these kinds of drinks probably before. I think this is not a drink. This is actually oil, maybe.